Hey guys, welcome to Wednesday 22nd, I think. Not too sure exactly the date of today. It is Wednesday and it is April. What am I up to? So I am right now in the process of uploading a video to YouTube. So that's being done and nothing else. It is 5 o'clock, so I started this vlog a little bit on the late side. Most of my vlogs are about 2 days long. Maybe I'll add like the third day here and there, little bits of what we're doing, what we're making, what we're cooking. And yeah, because there's not very much, but at least got something out there. Yeah, so I'm gonna just finish uploading that video. And today I am actually making an East Indian dish. Veggies, of course. It is carrots and potatoes. So maybe I'll show you how to make that. We'll go through that whole process of cooking that. And yeah, we'll see what else I can kind of bring you. I'm watching Ozark. Watching Ozark, and I am almost finished it. So I started it not too long ago because like I watched like 3-4 episodes and then I forgot that I was actually watching it. And then season 3 comes out just as we're in quarantine and everybody's talking about Ozark season 3. I'm watching Ozark season 3. I'm finishing off Ozark season 3. So I decided to go start from the beginning again because I totally didn't remember what was happening in it. And wow, it is crazy. If you haven't seen Ozark, watch Ozark. It's so good. So now I am on season 3, episode like 6 or 7. I'm almost done it. And then I was thinking about getting into Community. So yeah, let me know what you guys are watching. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish uploading this and then we'll talk to you later. So we are making dinner. And we are making carrots and potatoes, and it's a East Indian dish. And we have everything cut here, right here. So carrots diced up, that's about 5 or 6 carrots. Potatoes, yellow potatoes diced up here. Got some ginger and garlic all mixed up in here. A little bit of tomato and a little bit of onion on the side. The spices that we will be adding into it is, that's our pan ready to go. So there's gonna be some salt. This guy is called an fenugreek. That's the East Indian name. This guy is actually cumin seeds. My camera doesn't want to focus. This is turmeric. Turmeric goes in every single East Indian dish. We got some cumin. We got some paprika. And we got some cayenne pepper. And we got black pepper, and that's not for that dish, but it's actually for the yogurt that goes on the side. And then the bread that we're gonna make is right here. It's pretty much just whole wheat flour and water blended, like made into a dough. And we will make that as well. And so we are gonna make this.
Hi.
Are you gonna help?
With making the East Indian dish?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Okay.
Hi. Camera. It's me. Enter. It's me. Here.
Okay. Turn on the stove. It is Thursday today in the afternoon. I have cleaned out the house. I even actually just cleaned like the cabinets, and on top of the cabinets, everything in the kitchen. Sanitized everything. And now it is like 4 something. And I thought I would try and do something different with my hair, like curl it. Well, I mean, curl it in a different way. So I was thinking about like trying to making different size and textured waves. Let's see if it works. I'm going to use a straightener, and then I'm going to use a larger barrel one. Let's see if that works. I will record some of it and show it to you, but probably not the whole thing. Okay guys, I know it's kind of loud outside here, but I'm gonna start by like, just, if you've seen my curling, how I curl my hair video, you know how I kind of curl my hair. I put it in sections, so I'm kind of starting with that. And this is not a tutorial or anything, it's just my vlog, and I thought I'd just kind of add a little bit, showing you guys how I curl. So I'm going to start with the bottom layer. I'm going to use 2 of these tools here, the straightener and the wider barrel curler. And then I think I'll start off with the wider barrel at the bottom, and then kind of go back and forth with the straightener just to add different textures of curl and see how. I've never done this before, so I'm going to see how it turns out. My hair is straightened. I like to just straighten it because I've got very frizzy hair. So yeah, let's just see how this works. And I'm not gonna really talk about it. I'm gonna be watching YouTube here, so yeah. I will be speeding through this whole thing since this is not really a tutorial. It's more of like a vlog, so yeah. So here's the end result of that entire look. I didn't show the entire thing, but like, I don't even know if you can see it, but I kind of like it. Maybe I'll actually film a video on it. It's right there. I like it.